morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine, and cheerful. So, kids, here is your Lavina ma'am. And, kids, are you all ready to start your day with me? Yes, perfect. So, kids, first of all, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, start Namokar mantra. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ariyanam, Namo Ujjayanam, Namo Lohe Savya Sahunam, ऐसो पंच नमोकारो सव्य पापनहासनो मंगलानम च सवे सिंह परममः वै मंगलम. Continue with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat, Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhurvat Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Open your eyes, hands down. So, kids, are you all ready? Perfect. So, kids, first of all, tell me what is the date today? Today is 7th January 2021. Today is 7th January 2021. And what is the date today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. So kids, हम घर पे पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हैं या सिर्फ मस्ती ही कर रहे हैं? हमें घर पे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई भी करनी है kids. Okay? So today we are going to learn about A sound words and E sound words. Okay kids? So first of all, take out your English notebook. Okay kids, take out your English notebook, pencil and eraser. And kids, हम तो good babies है ना, so हमें beautiful handwriting में work करना है. Okay kids, so हम beautiful अच्छी सुंदर handwriting में work करेंगे. And kids, what is the sound of A? A की sound क्या आती है? A. And what is the sound of E? A. What is the sound of E? A. Okay kids, are you all ready? सबने निकाल ली English notebook? Shall we move further? Okay? Okay kids, are you all ready? सबने निकाल ली English notebook? Perfect. So first of all, हम क्या लिखेंगे? A sound words. A sound words. Kids, you have to speak and write. A sound words. And kids, हमें कहाँ से start करना है? Margin से. Margin के just pass से हम start करेंगे. Okay? K at cat. K at cat. K at cat. K at cat. C-A-T, cat. K at cat. M at mat. M at mat. M-A-T. M at mat. Done everyone? Written? M at mat. Third word is M and man. M and man. M-A and man. M and man. Written everyone? Done kids? हमें margin से ही start करना है word को. Okay? M and man. And kids, you have to read the last two letters always together. K at cat. M at mat. M and man. Done, everyone? Written. F and fan. F and fan. F-A and fan. F and fan. Written. F and fan. F and fan. T apple tap. T apple tap. Okay, kids, and you have to speak the last two letters always together. T app tap. T-A-P tap. T app tap. Written, everyone? Done, kids? Now, M app map. M app map. M app map. Written, everyone? Done? M-A-P map. M app map. T egg tag. T egg tag. T egg tag. Written, everyone? Your kids, you have to speak and write in a beautiful handwriting, okay? T egg tag. T-A-G tag. T egg tag. So kids, what are we doing? We are writing A sound words. Okay, kids? T egg tag. B egg bag. B egg bag. B egg bag. B-A-G bag. B egg bag. B egg bag. Written, everyone? Done, kids? You have to speak and write, okay? B egg bag. S add sad. S add sad. Okay, kids, written, everyone? Done? Very good. You have to speak and write. S add sad. S-A-D sad. S add sad. Written. The next word is D add dad. D add dad. Done? D add dad. D-A-D dad. D add dad. Written, everyone? A sound words. Okay? Cat, mat. K at cat. M at mat. M and man. F and fen. T app tap. M app map. T egg tag. B egg bag. S add sad. D add dead. Done, everyone? A sound words. Written? Very good. Now we'll do E sound words. E sound words. Okay, kids? P and pen. P and pen. P-E-N pen. P and pen. Kids, you have to speak You have to read the last two letters together. P and pen. T and ten. T and ten. TE and ten. T and ten. Speak and write. Okay. T and ten. The next word is P, egg, peg. P, egg, peg. PEG, peg. P, egg, peg. Done, everyone? Written? Very good. P, egg, peg. The next word is L, egg, leg. L, egg, leg. You have to read the last two letters together. L, egg, leg. LEG, leg. L, egg, leg. Done, everyone? Written? The next word is J, et, jet. J, et, jet. Done, everyone? J, et, jet. J-E-T, jet. J, et, jet. Done, everyone? Written? Kids, you have to speak and write, okay? J, et, jet. The next word is V, et, wet. V, et, wet. W-E-T, wet. V, et, wet. V, et, wet. B, ed, bed. B, ed, bed. Done, everyone? B, ed, bed. B-E-D, bed. B, ed, bed. The next word is R, ed, red. R, ed, red. R-E-D, red. Kids, you have to speak and write. R, ed, red. Done, everyone? The next word is W, ed, wed. W, ed, wed. Okay, kids, speak and write. W, ed, wed. W, ed, wed. W-E-D, wed. W, ed, wed. Done, everyone? Written? The next word is P, et, pet. P, et, pet. P-E-T, pet. P, et, pet. Done, everyone? Done, kids? So these were E sound words. E sound words. Now speak with ma'am. P and pen. P and pen. T and ten. T and ten. Kids, you have to speak the last two letters always together. P, egg, peg. P, egg, peg. L, egg, leg. L, egg, leg. J, et, jet. J, et, jet. W, at, wet. W, at, wet. B, ed, bed. B, ed, bed. R, ed, red. R, ed, red. Speak with ma'am. W, ed wet. W ed wet. P et pet. P et pet. Done, everyone? Show us on the screen. Done? Yes, show us. Very good. Very good, kids. Very nice. So, kids, what we did A sound words and E sound words. Okay, kids. So, हमने क्या किया? A sound words and E sound words. Okay, kids. So, kids, आप सबको बहुत अच्छे से practice करनी है A sound words and E sound words की. And remember, you have to read the last two letters always together. Okay, kids. Done, everyone? Done, kids? Now, close your English notebook and open your maths notebook. Okay, kids? Now, quickly, close your English notebook and open your maths notebook. Okay, kids? And sharpen your pencils and write in a beautiful writing. Okay, kids? Done? सबने open कर ली maths notebook? Shall we move further? So kids, what are we going to do? We are going to do what comes before. What comes before. And kids, what is the meaning of before? Before का क्या meaning होता है? Number से पहले कौन सा number आता है? That means before. ठीक है kids? Done? इस number से पहले कौन सा number आता है? That means before. Okay, kids? Done, everyone? So, kids, now read the number. Which number is this? 7. Which number is this? 7. And now, see, kids, see the number line. See the number line. Yes, where is number 7? See. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number is this? Number 7. And see kids, what comes before 7? 7 से पहले क्या आता है? 6. What comes before 7? 6. So kids, so what we will write here? 6. What comes before 7? 6. See the number line. This is number 7. And what comes before 7? 6. What comes before 7? 6. Now read the next number. Which number is this? 6. Which number is this? 6. And what comes before 6? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. What comes before 6? Yes, Ayansh Pal, unmute yourself. Yes, Ayansh, quickly, unmute yourself. Yes, Ayansh. Anybody else? Yes. Yes, beta, what comes before 6?
5, bolo.
5. Yes, very good. See the number line. This is number 6. And what comes before 6? 5. What comes before 6? 5. So we will write 5 here. What comes before 6? 5. Okay, kids. Now read the next number. 10, 10. 10, 10. And what comes before 10, 10? Yes? Yes? Yes, Jiva, unmute yourself. Yes. 9. Very good, beta. You have to see the number line. See what comes before 10? 9. What comes before 10? 9. So what you have to write in this blank? 9. What comes before 1010? 9. Okay, now read the next number. Which number is this? 8. Which number is this? 8. And what comes before 8? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Divyanshi Haldar, unmute yourself.
7.
Very good. What comes before 8? 7. See the number line. This is number 8. And what comes before 8? 7. So in the blank, we'll write 7. What comes before 8? 7. Okay, kids. Now we will do double digit. So look carefully. Yes, kids, you have to look very carefully now, okay? Okay, now read the number. Which number is this? 1, 4, 14. Which number is this? 1, 4, 14. And what comes before 1, 4, 14? Yes, who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Sonika, unmute yourself. Yes, Sonika, quickly, unmute yourself. What comes before 1, 4, 14? Yes, Sonika Devin, unmute yourself. Anybody else? Raise your hand. What comes before 1, 4, 14? Yes, Purnita, unmute yourself.
1, 4, 14. 1, 3, 13.
Very good. Kids, you have to see the number line. See, where is 1, 4, 14 in the number line? Here. This is number 1, 4, 14. And see what comes before 1, 4, 14? 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. So you have to write 1, 3, 13 in this blank. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay, kids. So now, so kids, now see, okay. Okay, now see the next number. Which number is this? 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. Okay, now what comes before 2, 3, 23? Yes, who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. What comes before 2, 3, 23? Yes. Raise your hand. Yes, Pratyuman, unmute yourself.
2 to 22.
Very good. See, here is number 2, 3, 23. And what comes before 2, 3, 23? 2, 2, 22. 2, 2, 22. So in the blank, you have to write 2, 2, 22. What comes before 2, 3, 23? 2, 2, 22. Okay, now see the next number. Which number is this? 30, 30. 30, 30. And what comes before 30, 30? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Hia, unmute yourself. Good morning. Good afternoon, beta. Yes, beta. Which number is this? 30, 30. And what comes before 30, 30?
29, 29.
Very good. See the number line. Here is number 30, 30. And what comes before 30, 30? 29, 29. 29, 29. So what comes before 30, 30? 29, 29. Okay, kids. Now, see the next number. Yes, the next number is 2020. 2020. Yes, and what comes before 2020? Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. What comes before 2020? Yes, Anvi Singh, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, quick. Yes, what comes before 2020?
तो बोलिए रिपीट वन बोलिए सही से
119.
Very good. See the number line. What comes here is number 20. And what comes before 20? 19. So in the blank, you have to write 19. So what comes before 2020? 19. Okay, kids. Done, everyone? Done, everyone? सबने fill कर लिया? What comes before? Done? Very good, kids. So, kids, now close your maths notebook and open your Hindi notebook. Quickly. Open your Hindi notebook. And अब हम क्या करेंगे? 2 अक्षर के शब्द. अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2 अक्षर के शब्द. दो अक्षर के शब्द. सबने निकाल ली अपनी हिंदी नोटबुक. अब हम लिखेंगे 2 अक्षर के शब्द. सबने निकाल ली अपनी हिंदी नोटबुक. डन एवरीवन? Shall we start? Okay, kids, shall we start? पहला शब्द है जग. सो किड्स, हमें मार्जिन के जस्ट पास में लिखना है. जग. पहला शब्द है जग. And kids, you have to speak and write. जग. लिख लिया सबने? डन एवरीवन? मग. लिख लिया सबने? जग. मग. किड्स, हम क्या लिख रहे हैं? 2 अक्षर के शब्द. 2 अक्षर के शब्द. जग. मग. तीसरा शब्द है फल. Kids, you have to speak and write. Fal. Done, everyone? Fal. Null. Yes, kids, you have to speak and write. Null. Done, everyone? लिख लिया सबने? जग. मग. फल. नल. लिख लिया सबने? Null, null. Done, everyone? Null, null. Das, das. Das, das. Kids, you have to speak and write. Das, das. Das, das. Das, das. ओके किड्स, लिख लिया सबने? दस, दस. अगला शब्द है बस, बस. बस, बस. किड्स, यू हैव टू स्पीक एंड राइट. हमें बोल के लिखना है. बस, बस. बस, बस. छत, छत. छत, छत. लिख लिया सबने? डन एवरीवन? छत, छत. स्पीक एंड राइट. छत, छत. खत, खत. खत, खत. Speak and write. खत, खत. Done everyone? खत, खत. अगला शब्द. किड्स, आपको खत के नीचे से ही लिखना है. ओके? मैम के पास स्पेस नहीं है, इसलिए मैम यहाँ पे लिख रही है. आपको खत के नीचे से ही लिखना है. डन एवरीवन? खत लिख लिया सबने? खत, खत. अगला शब्द है कप, कप. कप, कप. Done everyone? Kids, you have to speak and write. Cup, cup. Cup, cup. Done everyone? अगला शब्द है रथ, रथ. रथ, रथ. रथ, रथ. Done everyone? Kids, लिख लिया सबने? Kids, you have to speak and write. रथ, रथ. Now show us on the screen. Yes. Done everyone? लिख लिया सबने? Show us. Very good. Very nice kids. Very good. Lovely. लिख लिया सबने? Done everyone? Now kids, you have to speak with ma'am, okay? Yes. Jug, jug. Speak up. Jug, jug. Mug, mug. Mug, mug. Fal, fal. Fal, fal. Null, null. Null, null. Das, das. Das, das. Bus, bus. Bus, bus. छत, छत. छत, छत. खत, खत. खत, खत. कप, कप. Cup, cup. Rath, rath. Rath, rath. Done everyone? लिख लिया सबने? किड्स ये क्या किया हमने? 2 अक्षर के शब्द. ये कौन से शब्द किए हमने? 2 अक्षर के शब्द. Okay kids, done everyone? Now close your Hindi notebook. Now kids, close your Hindi notebooks fast. Okay, now kids, now you have to tell A sound words. Okay, now A sound words कौन से होते हैं? Yes, who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. A sound words. Yes, Shrestha, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, speak up. At cat. Very good. ये कौन सा word है? A sound word. At cat. Very good. Yes, next. और कौन से होते हैं A sound words? Who is going to tell me? Raise your hand. Yes, Laksha, unmute yourself. Yes, Laksha, quickly, unmute yourself.
Na app nap.
Okay, no app nap. Very good. No app nap. Very nice. And और कौन बताएगा A sound words? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Bhumika Joshi, unmute yourself.
बोलो मैम.
Rat.
R at rat.
Very good.
R at rat.
At rat. Okay, now E sound words. Yes, who is going to tell me E sound words? Raise your hand. Yes, Priyanshi and Fianshi, unmute yourself.
T and 10.
Beta, you have, yes, very good. But you have to speak last 2 letters together. P and pen. Okay? P and pen. Okay, kids. So, kids, what we did? We did E sound words and A sound words. And what else we did? We did what comes before. Number से पहले कौन सा number आता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Before. Okay, kids. And what else we did? 2 अक्षर के शब्द. Okay, kids. So, kids, घर पे सबको बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी है, बहुत अच्छे से सबकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Okay, kids. So, kids, ये हमारी कौन सी क्लासेस चल रही हैं? हमारी लाइव क्लासेस. एंड आप हमारी रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस को स्कूल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे जो आपको लिंक शेयर होता है उसे ओपन करके देख सकते हैं या फिर स्कूल यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी देख सकते हैं. You can like and subscribe our channel for regular updates. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.